from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can even touch us. We found a different.
Hey guys, this is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps and the Jen Spice channel here on YouTube, and I am here to tell you about my knotweed soap. I was going to show you how I made it, but I lost the video. Sorry guys. But I will tell you how I did it. And if you're a soap maker, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, well, I will be making it again. But because the video just came out last week, I wanted to hurry up and get it up. And we'll just have a cutting, and we'll talk about why I use knotweed as one of my newest amazing ingredients. And you can make up your own mind if you want to try some. It is in the store now. Okay, so we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye for now. All right, so what we have here is a big load of Fall Harvest. This is my knotweed that I just pulled and harvested. I'm going to wash this, and then we're going to put it into some rebadge soap. So we're going to cook it right into the soap instead of water. This is Jennifer here. I have taken that harvested knotweed branches and blossoms and leaves, and I've ground them up, and now we're going to use them. It's dry. We're going to use them in the soap. So I am going to sift this and just take the smaller bits for the soap, and I might take the bigger pieces to sprinkle on top just to give it a little interest. And that beautiful color, I just can't resist it. It's just so kawaii. So cute. All right, so I'll show you how I sift it. You just take a little sifter and go like this. And you end up with the big ones on top and the little ones on bottom. See, there's my topping for my decorations. And I have to say that this design was inspired by my friend Tiara Faye at Gypsy Faye Creations. Go check out some of her fall line. She's made some beautiful things this year. Alright, so we are in the harvest season, like legit in it. What are you guys doing? Are you excited? Do you like the fall? Or are you sad because the summer is over? Let's go ahead and do a poll and let me know. I'll be right back with the soap. Hey everyone, welcome to my soapy kitchen. Today we are unveiling the knotweed soap. Now, one of my subscribers, shout out to Sushi, who's an awesome artist, so check out her channel, suggested I put the flowers on top, and I did, but they're dried of course, so they look like dried flowers. Ooh, that's pretty. It is really hard and a little sticky, but it'll come right off. So I'll give that a good wash. So this is the soap, and it's got all that wonderful goodness. The top was inspired by a friend of mine. This will make about 4 bars because it wasn't tall enough. I didn't add enough soap base to make it a tall bar. It's kind of like green rolling hills, kind of walk at the, well, there's this place that I walk at the Cedar Hill Golf Course that looks, it's just like a grove of trees. It's absolutely fantabulous, and that's kind of what inspired me, as well as a friend of mine who made one with a little bit of greenery on top as well. Tiara Faye from Gypsy Faye Creations. Head on over to her site and have a look at her soapy creations because they're beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm going to actually trim this side because I think that's fun. I'm going to peek inside. So this is kind of a camo design. There's no colorant. This is all the natural herbs and soap. That's all it is. I did half of it just plain and half of it with the herbs mixed in. And that's how it turns out. And then I put it on the top as well. So I'll be making this one again. This is a limited edition soap because it's in season right now. It's not always in season. Oop, that one's got a little hole in it. That's okay. I can fill it in. Here, I'll show you. Show you how to fill in a soapy hole like that. Because the soap is still quite moist, I can just fix it. Hardly knew it was there. Look at that, little soft soap, and it's filled in, and it won't come out either. Oops. So there's one. Make sure you can see this. I'm actually going to turn it on its side because I don't want that herbal matter to cut through. Look at that. Oh, we got another soapy. Oh, man, this stuff. The soap was really hot. Let me make sure I get it all the way in there. Too funny. Too funny. You know, I tap it down really hard every time. You never know. This is a hot process rebatch type of soap, so it's got its own little quirks. There we go. And that side's okay. Oh, looks like we're only getting 3 nice size bars. Normally I get 5, but I made these extra thick, so they'd be like a nice chunky bar. So I get a bar too. How cool is that? So there are 3 bars of this available. This is the Knotweed soap. It's a very, very special soap. And then I'm going to cut this one into soap cards. So if you want a sample of it in a card, it's $5. I think it's $3 to ship it, so it's $8 total. But you can try it out. Now this one's going to be kind of special because it's going to have a flower right on top. The first slice. Let's see what we've got here. Maybe it'll be special. If I can cut it properly, it'll be special. I should get 3 soap cards here. There's one. Well, I think I'm only going to get 2. This one is really too thick, and I'm just going to trim it. Yeah, I'm going to have to trim a little more of that off. And I have to make sure it stays quite flat, otherwise it won't be thin enough for the mail. It has to be able to fit through the mail, and I incorporate it into a handmade soap card. So I will have a couple of these available for sale as well. So if you want a soap card, and just let me know. I will be making more of the Knotweed soap. It will probably be a different design. I am playing with it right now. So all of these limited edition soap are in the store. I only make a few at a time, anywhere from 5 to 10 bars of soap. So if you want something truly special for a gift this season, head on over to www.jentlesoaps.com and I will hook you up. Bye for now. What I like to do to my limited edition soap is to add a stamp to it. So we're going to show you how I do that. Makes it so I had this made especially for me, and I have to do it while the soap is fresh. There we go. There we go. Jentle Soaps. I think I'll make the S a little deeper. If you don't get it deep enough, if you have your own stamp. You can carefully redo it. Since there's only 5 soap, we'll go ahead and do them all. Super fun. I can't wait to see what everybody else is creating. All you creators out there, This holiday season is so much fun. I love the fall. I really, really, really do. I love the summer too. There's so many fun things we can do. There we go. Let's do another soap card. I can't press very hard. On the soap cards or they'll go right through. So you have to be really, really careful. I still get a pretty decent impression. These I can make it a lot more distinct as long as I don't get too far close to the side. You get too close to the side, and I like mine off center. Get too close to the side, you'll just smush your soap out because it displaces it. And if you're interested, just email me. There's a lady on Etsy that makes my stamps for me. She's incredible. If I remember, I will put a link below. If I forget, please remind me and I will do it. If someone's looking for someone to make stamps. She's made several for me for certain products. I'm sure I'll be using her services more as I'm able to do these custom retail soap because it's super fun to make them so specialized and so unique. So there we go. Head on over to my store. These come with a cigar brand label. We're minimal here in Canada as far as packaging goes. There will not be any shrink wrap on most things. My exception for my company is bath bombs. Bath bombs are always shrink wrapped. But not my bubble ones. So go figure. Anyway, this is my Knotweed herbal soap. It's absolutely fantastic, and we will be doing more with this particular herb, but this design is a limited edition for 2018. Bye for now.